our fire pit area down here that we like to use this summer and this fall. Right here next to the creek, which runs year round, which we absolutely love. And then we've got a place here that, between this we call Wally the walnut tree, and here we're going to make a nice little place to put some firewood. So we have been cutting down, clearing out that little hill right there to put our lavender. And with that, we cut down some trees. We cut into firewood size pieces, some cedar. There's some pine in there too, I think some oak. And I'm gonna stack it right here so that when we get ready to have a nice little fire pit fellowship, then we got some wood that we can burn. Okay, so we've got a nice little start here to our fire pit firewood, and I think I'll get a pallet or something to put some of that longer stuff, that cedar, down that we can use for kindling. Looking forward to having some good times right here.